Northrop Grumman has been awarded an $11,734 223 firm fixed price cost plus fixed fee contract for Large Aircraft Infrared Countermeasures on India head of state aircraft. Work will be performed in India and is expected to be complete by Jan 31, 2020. This contract is 100% foreign military sales to India. The LAIRCM system is a defensive system for large transport and rotary wing aircraft that combines a missile warning system (MWS) and infrared laser jammer countermeasure system to protect the aircraft from infrared-guided threat missiles. LAIRCM automatically detects a missile launch, determines if it is a threat and activates a high-intensity laser-based countermeasure system to track and defeat the missile. The countermeasures subsystem uses lasers mounted in point-to-tracker turret assemblies. LAIRCM is an active countermeasure that defeats the threat missile guidance system by directing a high-intensity modulated laser beam into the missile seeker. In addition, the LAIRCM system automatically counters advanced IR missile systems with no action required by the crew. Northrop Grumman's various infrared countermeasure systems are now installed or scheduled for installation on more than 1,000 military aircraft around the world to protect 55 different types of large fixed-wing transports and rotary wing platforms from infrared missile attacks. The mature, reliable technology has been incorporated in more than 250 point-up trackers that are now in full-rate production to protect these aircraft.